Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, people on YouTube, and welcome back to William in Japan. Today you join me on the Street Triple Moto 2 and the rant about it. It has been quite a great ride with this machine, but yesterday it had failed me miserably. So without further ado, let's hit the road. Welcome back, folks. So a very quick recap of my history with this Street Triple Moto 2. Back in 2023, I think it was July, we got delivery of this machine. Special edition, CNC top fork, and then with clip-ons, and also Olin's forks. It rides like, oh, to put it simply, the best bike I ever owned. However, with the start of the ownership of this bike, it has not been, well, let's put it, eventless. First of all, this little metal ring, the retainer over there, cut through my clutch cable. So that was a warranty replacement. The outer rubber part of my clutch cable was completely cut through and it was rusting. So okay, design flaw, we could take care of that. As you can see here, simple rubber hosing or plastic hosing, covering it up. No harm done, right? Fine, I can live with that. Then came the quick shifter fail. So the quick shifter failed, I think, roughly 8 months into the ownership. I need to double check here. It just stopped working, rain or shine. And that's very unfortunate, of course. Warranty replacement again, and I found out the quick shifter itself might have been malfunctioning ever since I got the bike, because the shift feeling was always a bit too hard. After getting the new quick shifter, it definitely felt a lot more smoother. So okay, it's electronics, fine, it may happen. A seal here or there may have broke, maybe a bit surge of voltage, shorted something, fine, I can live with that. But yesterday, on its 2-year inspection, oh my god, guess what failed, guys? In my opinion, the holy trinity of failures with street triples. This includes the previous version, as well is the quick shifter, which had happened. Second is TFT failure. Good thing is my TFT screen has not failed. Fingers crossed there, it will stay that way. And the last is oil leakage. Well, oil leakage can happen very easily. It can be a loose bolt, a loose hose clamp, which has happened with my old Ducati Supersport 950S, and it can be something very severe, like a gasket failure. So lo and behold, my Street Triple, less than 9,000 miles, after 2 warranty, well, replacements, I can put it that way, I'm getting my 3rd. The head gasket has failed. Guys, head gasket under 9,000 miles, that is no way acceptable. A lot of people says, oh, Triumph builds beautiful bikes, their build quality is superb, on par with all the premium brands. Well, at least with this bike. A special edition limited one too. Hell no. I had 2 Ducatis, 2 Hondas. The Hondas, of course, are cheaper than this. The Ducatis, of course, are more expensive than this. None of them has been as eventful as the Street Triple. As much as I like this machine, I like to ride it. Like I mentioned multiple times already, the frame, how it's set up, riding position, everything works. It's a great bike to enjoy on the road. But design failure, I can look over that. Electronic failures, fine, it may happen. I can look over that. But mechanical failures, no. This is not something I can accept, and this is a huge red flag for myself. Today is the head gasket. What's next? I really don't know. So we're seeping oil out of the head. Next time, bottom end? Am I going to dump a bunch of oil on the ground and on my rear wheels? Yeah, I don't think it will happen. I'm now getting a bit skeptical of how Triumph is putting their motorcycles together. So I think this really is the last, well, straw that broke the camel's back. I will not be buying another Triumph in the future. This will be the last. Yes, they make great bikes. But with all the failures I had in the past, well, 2 years, and also hearing and looking at what has been shared on forums, I've seen people on their 3rd TFT screens, on their 4th quick shifter. This bike is going to lose its warranty very soon. Well, basically it will lose its warranty at the end of this month. I'm not risking it. So if there's another failure, or to be frankly, even without a failure, I'm seriously considering selling this bike. I even get the head gasket sorted, make sure it is safe to ride, but I'm no longer willing to take the risk of riding this machine. It may sound dumb, but man, I just can't accept mechanical failures like this. Especially it's under 9,000 miles. It's just too bad of a quality or reliability, whatever way you want to put it. It's not something I want to deal with anymore. So that's very unfortunate. I had claimed multiple times that this Street Triple is going nowhere. It's a great machine. I love it. I want to keep it. It stays in my garage. But as of yesterday, that has changed. So yeah, bike hunting again it is. Just sold my 748R. Should have kept it. Thinking of it, but oh well. It has been done. So stick around. We'll be trying out new stuff and maybe finding our next bike. This has been William. Thanks for joining me and see you next time. Bye bye.